Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 wireless projectors of 2021. The list starts from 2020 upgrade Wi-Fi projector Poing 4500 Lux LED Wi-Fi projector, Full HD 1080p supported. It's how to project smartphone to big display. You can set up the Wi-Fi settings in the projector and connect your smartphone with our projector directly. You can also use the original USB cable to connect your smartphone to our projector directly. All in all, easy operation. Its 2020 latest upgrade brightness and resolution. Poing wireless projector has upgraded the native resolution to 1280 x 720, and it can also support the highest resolution of 1920 1080. At the same time, our technical department also improved 20% of the brightness. The aspect ratio is 16:9/3, with 2001 contrast ratio. The lamp life is up to 50,000 hours. The display size, check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is HOLLYWTOP upgraded mini portable projector 4200 Lux Wi-Fi wireless synchronized smartphone screen 1080p. Its synchronized mobile phone screen and multiple devices connection. HOLLYWTOP projector can connect to your smartphone by Wi-Fi easily. It can project same screen directly from your smartphone through AirPlay Maracas multiscreen. And other interface includes HDMI USB got AV micro SD card audio out 3.5 mm. Its more shocking sound. The video projector is equipped with two built-in speakers, offering the excellent sound quality without an external speaker. Compared to single-speaker projectors, it has the more stereo sound and thicker bass. Especially when watching action movies and ball games, HOLLYWTOP movie projector can ignite your passion and give you a spot-like experience. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. VicTsing Wi-Fi projector, Bluetooth and screen mirroring, 3800 Lux wireless projector Bluetooth. It's no cable needed for screen mirroring. Supporting wired and wireless projection for both iOS and Android systems, VicTsing phone projector allows you to freely share video or other content from your smartphone, tablet, computer or any other